Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code, DTC P2649, indicates an issue with the rocker arm oil control solenoid circuit, specifically showing high voltage. This solenoid is instrumental in controlling oil flow to the VTEC, variable valve timing and lift electronic control system in the engine. Proper functioning of the rocker arm oil control solenoid is crucial, as it affects engine performance and emissions. High voltage readings can signify an internal malfunction of the solenoid or potential wiring issues. The location of the rocker arm oil control solenoid is typically near the top of the engine, usually attached to the cylinder head. For the Honda CRV models from 2017 to 2022, addressing DTC P2649 promptly can prevent further engine issues, enhancing both vehicle performance and longevity. DTC P2649 signals a high voltage condition in the rocker arm oil control solenoid circuit. The primary component affected is the rocker arm oil control solenoid, which regulates oil flow to the VTEC system. This solenoid is pivotal for adjusting valve timing and lift, directly impacting engine efficiency and performance. The rocker arm oil control solenoid is generally situated on the engine's cylinder head and connected to the powertrain control module, PCM. If high voltage is detected, it can lead to improper engine operation and potential damage if not addressed. Understanding the role and location of this component is essential for accurate diagnostics and repairs. Several factors can lead to DTC P2649, primarily focusing on wiring integrity and component functionality. A shorted wiring condition can cause excessive voltage to reach the rocker arm oil control solenoid, resulting in the high voltage error. Alternatively, the rocker arm oil control solenoid itself may be faulty or internally damaged, leading to incorrect resistance readings. A corroded or loose connection at the PCM can also contribute to electrical issues, manifesting as a high voltage circuit error. Inspecting each component and connection critically is vital for pinpointing the exact cause of the DTC. Comprehensive diagnostics will ensure that all potential issues are identified and resolved efficiently. When DTC P2649 is present, the vehicle may exhibit several symptoms that can affect drivability. An illuminated check engine light is often the most immediate indication of underlying problems, prompting the need for diagnostic attention. Additionally, the vehicle may feel sluggish during acceleration, as the VTEC system may not function optimally due to the high voltage condition. Another common symptom is decreased fuel efficiency, as improper valve timing can lead to increased fuel consumption. In some cases, customers may report unusual engine noises or vibrations due to abnormal operation of the engine's components. Recognizing these symptoms early can allow for timely intervention and repairs. In the first troubleshooting step for DTC P2649, the focus is on verifying the problem's existence. Begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode, as this enables the necessary systems to engage for proper diagnostics. Next, clear the DTC using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, which resets the system and prepares it for further testing. Following this step, it's essential to perform the VTEC test located in the inspection menu of the HDS. This test checks the functionality of the VTEC system and should help confirm if DTC P2649 reappears. If the code is confirmed during this process, it indicates a persistent issue that requires additional diagnosis. If the DTC does not reappear, intermittent problems could be at play, necessitating a check for loose connections or terminals. Step 2 in troubleshooting DTC P2649 involves checking the internal resistance of the rocker arm oil control solenoid. Begin this process by turning the vehicle to the off mode to ensure safety during diagnostics. Next, disconnect the 2P connector for the rocker arm oil control solenoid, which isolates the component from the system for accurate testing. Using a digital multimeter, measure the resistance between test points 1 and 2 on the disconnected solenoid. Under normal conditions, a resistance reading between 14 to 30 ohms at room temperature indicates that the solenoid is functioning correctly. If the resistance deviates significantly from this expected range, it warrants replacement of the rocker arm oil control solenoid to resolve the high voltage error. In step 3, the focus shifts to checking the continuity of the power ground PG line to ensure proper electrical flow. With the vehicle still in the off mode and the rocker arm oil control solenoid's connector disconnected, continuity must be checked between designated test points. Test point 1 will be the female terminal number 2 of the rocker arm oil control solenoid 2P connector, while test point 2 is the body ground. A successful continuity check indicates that the PG line is intact and functioning correctly. If there is no continuity, this suggests an open circuit that must be repaired. Addressing any breaks in the PG wire between the rocker arm oil control solenoid and the ground connection will be essential to resolve the DTC. The fourth step in diagnosing DTC P2649 involves verifying the integrity of the variable timing solenoid (VTS) line. Begin this step by bridging the SCS service check signal line using the HDS. Waiting more than a minute is crucial for proper testing conditions. After completing this action, disconnect the PCM connector B, 51P, allowing for a focused evaluation of the system. Continuity must be measured between test points. The female terminal number 1 of the rocker arm oil control solenoid 2P connector and the 18th terminal of the PCM connector B. Achieving continuity indicates that the VTS wire is intact. If continuity fails, investigate for an open circuit in the VTS wire connecting from the PCM to the rocker arm oil control solenoid, as repairing any breaks is essential for system functionality. To finalize repairs related to DTC P2649, a thorough verification process is essential. First, after any parts have been replaced or repairs made, it's important to double-check that all connections are secure and that no wires are pinched or damaged. Following this, conduct a test drive to observe the vehicle under various conditions, assessing engine performance, response, and any related symptoms. After the drive, utilize the Auto Diagnostics system HDS, again to confirm that the DTC has not returned and that no new codes are indicated. Successful resolution is indicated by the absence of the DTC and satisfactory vehicle operation. This final verification ensures that the diagnosis and repairs were effective, maintaining the reliability and performance of the Honda CRV. Preventive maintenance is an integral aspect of avoiding DTC P2649 in the future. Regular inspections of wiring harnesses associated with the rocker arm oil control solenoid will help detect and address wear or damage before they lead to faults. Additionally, testing the solenoid's functionality periodically can preempt performance issues, ensuring that it operates within the proper resistance range. Cleaning and maintaining the connections to the powertrain control module, PCM, can also prevent corrosion or looseness, which are common culprits of electrical issues. Keeping up with routine oil changes and ensuring proper lubrication of engine components can significantly reduce stress on the rocker arm oil control solenoid. These proactive steps can contribute to the longevity of the vehicle's engine and prevent high-voltage conditions in the future. In conclusion, effectively addressing DTC P2649 involves recognizing symptoms early, following methodical troubleshooting steps, and implementing preventive maintenance. Awareness of common signs, such as decreased engine performance and illuminated warnings, can lead to timely diagnostics. Each troubleshooting step provides a structured approach to diagnose the high-voltage condition, ensuring that both the rocker arm oil control solenoid and related wiring are functioning properly. Preventive measures, including regular maintenance checks and cleaning of electrical connections, are essential to maintain the integrity of the engine's performance. By understanding the importance of the rocker arm oil control solenoid and addressing any issues immediately, vehicle owners can ensure their Honda CRV operates efficiently and reliably for years to come. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.